Students, today we are going to learn the first chapter of your book Beehive, The Fun They Had. Before the chapter explanation gets started, I want to give you a small glimpse of the writer of the story. The writer of the story is Isaac Asimov. He was an American writer and professor of biochemistry at Boston University. He was known for his works of science fiction and popular science. Asimov was a prolific writer and wrote or edited more than 500 books. He also wrote an estimated 90,000 letters and postcards. Basically, he was born in Petrovichi of Russia and he died in Manhattan, New York City, US. Now starts the summary of the chapter The Fun They Had. The story set in the year 2157 when children learn individually at home using a mechanical teacher or a robotic teacher. The story tells of 11-year-old Margie Jones, whose neighbor Tommy finds a real book in the attic of his house. This reminds Margie of the stories of her grandfather used to tell about the earlier school days. The book tells about a time when children used to learn in a group of the same age of students in large schools that were not merely designated rooms in private houses as in Margie and Tommy's time. Margie and Tommy discuss what it must have been like to study together with a real person as a teacher, and though at first Margie is skeptical about the notion, by the end of the story, she daydreams while sitting on the chair before the mechanical teacher about what it must have been like for the children and thought about the fun they had. Margie wonders about the fun her grandfather would indulge in. She imagined kids from different neighborhoods coming together merrily to attend school. Moreover, the fact they were taught the same thing amused her. It was because everyone would help each other out with the homework. Thus, in the end, she's left wondering about the fun. To sum up, the fun they had summary. This chapter throws light on emerging technology and how it is overtaking the world. Thus, in the near future, it would not be surprising if teachers were replaced by robots.